guys, this is going to be the first episode of Buck Strong Outdoors. It's been a long time coming. We've been just filming with our phones, taking little segments, as you can see on our Instagram page. So this is going to be something new this year. We're going to be, we got 2 new cameras. I got one and Spencer got one. So me and him are going to be doing most of the footage, and then we got a couple other guys that are going to be doing waterfowl hunting and fishing and stuff. So we're hoping to put together some episodes for everybody. So for those who are watching, I'll let you know right now we got hats coming out soon. We have long sleeve shirts available, all with the Buck Strong logo on it. If you haven't seen that, check out our Facebook page, our Instagram page at Buck Strong Outdoors. It's at Buck_Strong_Outdoors. That's on Instagram. And you can see our logo design, and that's what's going to be on the hats and the long sleeves. So be looking for that. We should have the hats in the next couple weeks, but there's very limited quantity, so be ready to grab one. So I figured that this would be the first episode ever was going to be expanded deer hunting here in Maine, opening season, opening day. I thought that was going to be the first episode, first little bit of clip you guys are going to see of Buck Strong Outdoors. But one of my friends, Alex, he messaged me about a week ago saying his bear bait just started getting hit. So I don't have class this evening. So I got my stuff ready, and I told him I'd meet him there and go see if Alex can get a bear down today. So I'm excited to get in the woods today, and excited for Alex to hopefully put a bear on the ground. And excited that you guys get to see the first episode of Buck Strong Outdoors. This is so exciting. But to get footage and stuff, I'll be able to edit it up and put together a video. Well, I forgot to catch Alex for the recap for the night, but right after we lost camera light, we waited about 15 more minutes before legal time was up, and we were just about getting ready to get down, and we heard a bear circle around behind us, circle around the bait, got downwind of us, so we waited a little bit to see if he would come in. Well, no luck. We quietly got down and got out of there, and then I thank Alex for taking me and wish him good luck. So stay tuned. We got one more day before expanded archery starts for Maine.